Yo, what's going on? Welcome back to Nell Garage. I'm Nell, and today I'm back with the Polo project, and I'll be installing my performance air filter, which will absolutely do fuck all within power wise, but it might sound a little bit better. So we're gonna install this, and I'm just gonna show you guys, or let you hear how the car sounds with the standard one. So let's okay, I think she's in neutral. Let me just check. Fuck it, check. Okay, let me check. So, probably the bonnet. Let you guys see. The car is warmed up, don't worry. Let's get this one. Okay guys, so we took the negative from the battery, always do that. 4 bolts, or screws, unscrewed, and this just lifts up. And we're going to be getting rid of this. So up next is to take this pipe off from this box. Alright, so a quick update. I'm just trying to get the pipes right, but it's almost done. I have to keep this box in because, as you can see, this pipe is connected. That sits behind the grill, which drags in the air, and I have to keep this stock pipe in because this little pipe is connected as well. I thought I could make it work with this, but it's too big for the throttle body, so that sucks. But yeah, so that's a wee update. And I'll catch up with you guys when I get this on and get all the fitment properly. But just need to find that pipe that I can have it going down a bit more, because currently it would be sitting like that, which isn't really any good. I don't want it to be dangling about, so yeah. Alright guys, so it's all set up. I just need to secure it, which I was in the middle of doing. I had a cable tie through there, cable tie on there, them two attached. I was going to have on one of them holders, but as I pulled on it to make it tight, yeah, the plastic kind came off, so I need to work around it. It's not too bad, it shouldn't move up out, but I want it secured anyway, somehow. So yeah, I will need to find a way to get it secured, but it's pretty much set up. So basically I put this rubber hose on to clamp it down with the factory one, and to put the extension pipe on, clamped it down there, then basically put the air filter on, clamped it down. Quite a few left over, but didn't need them. Here's the bracket. I was going to have it on a bracket, but it's not going to work, so there's no way to attach the bracket so it stays in place, so I need to figure this out. But yeah, there's some wind noises, but that's all done, secured. Screw the bracket on, put cable tie around it, and now just gotta connect the battery and that'll be us. Okay, that's us all done guys. So quick how to install and performance air filter, and well, me installing one on my VW Polo project car. So let's go start up and see how it sounds. Okay, hopefully it sounds good. No check engine light, that's good. Okay. Oh yeah. Sounds better. Yeah, okay, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. As every day, please be sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment. Has been Nell with Nell Garage. Follow me on Instagram as well, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.